Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. So here's our wave 4 pullback. At the moment, I would assume that in this uptrend that we've been tracking, the chart is currently in a wave 4. Okay, that's my current assumption. I will only assume this as long as the 1756 level is holding. This is the first sort of deeper pullback after the breakthrough. So it might just test here the breakout point, doing a retest at the 50% fib level. Usually an ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement that was reached at 1777. However, it's a very overheated environment out there at the moment, so I would not be surprised if we touch the 50% fib level. Anything below that would make me assume that we are already in the larger degree fourth wave that we have been tracking, and would then move in a fifth wave later. So that's kind of the viewpoint I have. We only have 3 waves up off the low still, okay? So I'm watching for a fourth wave and a fifth wave, but there's still the potential to more directly escalate in this larger third wave, okay? That's not entirely clear to me, but the key is to understand that the main support I'm tracking is at 1660. Below that level, I will likely be bearish. Bearish short term for lower prices. Until that level breaks at 1659, I remain focused on higher. Okay, at the moment, I think short term it is very important to see if ETH can turn around in this box to rally afterwards in wave 5 of circle 3. It might be very dynamic here. We might see an answer, or we might get an answer in this video here. So that's key. We don't want a sustained break below 1755, but that was the key breakout point. So there should be strong support also here, and it will be important for more direct continuation that we really hold this key level. But hey, it's a messy structure of the lows, so it could be that this is already the larger degree fourth wave. But either way, trend continuation at the moment is favored against 1659. The risk of a high B wave is not gone. We can take a look at that on the ETH daily chart. So let's go to the daily chart. Quick reminder where we are. The situation isn't too different from Bitcoin, but I highlighted to you that $1,900 will likely be strong resistance. We did get all the way up to nearly 1900, 1855. So we haven't actually reached that breakout point yet. That would be a breakout point, so there should be some more resistance there at 1900, depending on when we reach it. But that is the descending trend line, the upper boundary line of the descending price channel. Okay, so to really give us further clarity that ETH might have bottomed here on the 12th of October, we need to see a price breakout of the corrective price channel. Assumption would then be that we are in a third wave, which should be followed by a fourth and a fifth of a larger degree third wave, and so on. And it should escalate overall higher to new bull market highs. Okay, that's the primary scenario as per this roadmap. But first of all, of course, we need to see a continuation of the uptrend anyway. So that's going to be interesting. We also have this Fibonacci retracement area or resistance area here on the chart to which the price is currently reacting. So what we obviously need to see is a first deeper pullback to get some clarity about the intentions here. Ether hasn't broken out yet. Bitcoin has. Now the important viewpoint will be or the important piece of knowledge we can get is when we can see that both ETH and Bitcoin can hold the first deeper pullback. So that's already now a first small test. But if we really are in a third wave, we should continue to blast. Okay, and then a break above that price channel should take us next to $2,150. Very important. Now, within this third wave, we are likely still in the first wave. So it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And this first wave is what we are tracking on the shorter time frame count. Here, these 5 waves that you can see here on the shorter time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basically represent a wave 1, which I haven't labeled here. We'll probably do that for later. But that would be this wave 1 on the daily chart. So there should be another wave 2 to come. Yeah, that's sort of what I'm watching at the moment. So imminently, or absolutely important is to hold the 1755 level short term. If not, it wouldn't be a disaster, but then we have to watch 1659. The support levels have not changed since the last video. It just looks as if ETH decided here to do sort of an ABC structure. And yeah, I mean, if it goes any lower than this, then I wouldn't prefer this, but then we are watching next 1731, 1695, and 1659. So you might already have an answer when I've uploaded the video. The prices are moving very, very rapidly at the moment. So yeah, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.